Hi guys, hope you're doing good. So today in this video, I'll be discussing about how to crack a job interview. In this video, I'll be sharing my own experience of clearing my very first job interview, plus some useful tips and tricks in the end of this video. So guys, I basically decided to divide the entire preparation into two parts. One is regarding the basic set of questions which are asked in almost all the job interviews. These include, tell me about yourself, why should we hire you, what skills do you have in terms of project management, team management, IT skills, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now. So guys, these kind of basic questions are asked in almost all the job interviews irrespective of the field in which you are. So basically you need to prepare in advance the answer to these questions. Basically the idea is not to mug up the answer and speak in front of the interviewer. Instead, you should be confident enough and structure basically your answer like you are going to cover these kind of, these portions in your answer. Let's say for example, if somebody asks you, tell me about yourself. So basically how are you going to start answering this question? First, you'll be speaking about what's your name, where do you belong to. Then second comes about your qualifications. Third is regarding any prior experience you have on working with any of the company, the roles and responsibilities in those companies, your skill set which includes IT skills or any other courses which you have successfully completed, which you want to highlight to the interviewer, and so on. So basically the idea is that you need to structure the answer which you are going to give for this particular question. Now moving on further, the second set of the preparation includes on the technical aspect. Now, whichever field you belong to, there would be certainly certain amendments or changes happening on a regular basis. Now, you need to be well versed about all those changes because in most of the interviews, these are being checked upon. So in case a candidate successfully answers the latest amendments and development, it shows how very well updated the candidate is. Say for example, I am a LLB student and I am appearing for a corporate law interview. In that case, I need to know very well what are the changes or latest amendments in the Companies Act. Okay, so moving on to the other general tips which one should follow in order to crack any interview. So first is always be on time for the interview. So you need to plan in advance about at what time are you going to leave from your home or your place in order to reach the interview premises timely. Second is dress appropriately. Now you need to follow the formal attire for appearing in the interview. Now your looks, basically the way you dress up plays a very important role because it describes that how seriously are you taking this particular interview and how important for you is to clear this interview and get the job. So you need to dress appropriately. Third would be the use of non-verbals while answering questions in the interview. Now we all know that communication is not just about what you speak, but also about how you speak, the way you deliver the speech, your eye contact, your voice modulation, the way you listen attentively to the speaker. All these play a very important role. So the one of the tips which I want to share with you guys is to attentively listen to what the interviewer is asking. Many a times we just straightly answer to that particular question without even listening out the full question properly, and even sometimes we give a wrong answer because of the hurry which we make. So it's very important to understand the question well and then answer to it. Now sometimes it might happen that you will not know the answer to a particular question. So in that case, instead of saying a straight no, you can rather modify the answer in such a way that it should look that you are keen in knowing the answer to that question. Maybe at this particular time you do not know the answer, but you will definitely get back on the answer. I mean, you'll definitely research on at your own place basically to get to the answer. So this shows that how interested you are in knowing, learning things or knowing things. Now, the fourth point is that the job description which is shared at the beginning of an interview by the HR should be read very carefully by you. Basically, it includes that what all expectations are there for this particular role. You should go through them and also should modify your resume to that extent so that it highlights that what are your skill set which are in line with the current job role which is being offered. So for example, you are appearing for the role of financial reporting, guys. So in that case, it is expected out of you that you are well versed about what are financial statements, how do you perform a financial statement analysis, what are the key ratios which are useful in analyzing a financials. So all these things, okay, you should be well versed about the concepts and also what are the different formulas and how do these formula depict about a particular analysis. One of the most important aspects of clearing an interview is to have a robust resume. Your resume should contain all the roles and responsibilities you have held in your prior organizations. Also, you should include all the skill sets around IT, team management, project management, any of the courses which you have successfully completed, say on LinkedIn or through any other platforms. You should clearly highlight them. Also, any rewards and recognitions which you have received in the prior organizations or during your college. So guys, these were few of the tips and tricks using my own experience which I wanted to share with you. Hope these were useful to you and will help you in clearing the job interviews. All the best guys, prepare well and do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends or people whom you want successfully clear the job interviews. Bye guys, take care.